I'm just having a look at a few Forex pairs of interest. I just thought I'd show the pound US on some different time frames. So this seems to be extremely difficult for people to get their head around the different time frames. So I don't think anyone's really understood what I've been showing yet in all the videos that I've done. But just showing this as an example with pound US. So just starting with the 4 hour, 2 hour. So this is the 4 hour and 2 hour. So at the moment, this is counter trend here, so you can trade this only on my intraday template. When it drops through here, it's trending, so you can technically trade this on the 4 hour, 2 hour with your stop trailing down here because it's below the Kumo. So that's that one. That's counter trend, so it's to here, right? That's the intraday only. It's trending once it's below the Kumo. It's then down. It's a downtrend then at that point. So now this arrow here, right, is exactly the same point. This for counter trending, right? Counter trending entry. This arrow here is this exact same arrow right here. This is below the Kumo now on my short-term template. Right, so I can trade this on my on this template, but with Forex I mostly trade it on the intraday template, such as this, and this is one of the legs, most recent down leg. We've got the PMI coming up here, so just got taken out there out of that trade there, out of that short, but that was a real nice run there on that short. And this is also scalping here. This is the 3 minute, 1 minute. If you've only got a short time to be able to place trades, you can use the 3 minute, 1 minute for scalping. So I tried to come back up to the VWAP here. So this is the announcement coming up here. So you don't want to be in this ahead of an announcement like that. You want to just take your profit and get out of it. But so that's just a quick example of that. Now with I don't hold. Come on, what are you doing? I don't hold positions over the weekend. I get out of them over the weekend, but just showing this is an example of back here. So this would have been over the weekend, but you wouldn't have held it. You wouldn't have held it over the weekend, would you? No, it wouldn't have been over the weekend there from there. So that was the Monday. That was Monday. So that's where you would have entered it here on the Monday. You would have entered it, come right down with this trend here. So if you were trading it that way on the 4 hour, 2 hour, so that is a valid method on using my trading method. That is a 4 hour, 2 hour is a more so I use that with stocks, but then I prefer to use the intraday template with. Now look at the volume profile down here is getting very weak, so it's getting a bit overextended now on the pound US, so don't want to be too aggressive to the downside now, but it's been awesome trading this week given all the volatility in the UK at the moment, so that's what I like to look for. So, and let's have a look at the US dollar. US dollar's been ripping to the upside here, 4 hour, 2 hour here, so this been a massive breakout here on the US dollar. Let's go to the daily 4 hour for these ones. This is Euro Pound. This is one I said. Remember I said I was following this through. I said this is my target down to here. Look what it did. Some moron was on a podcast the other day saying that, oh, you're drawing silly lines on a chart's no good. What's it going to tell you? You can't see anything drawing silly lines on a chart. What a stupid idiot. I got so mad. But then these are the sort of arseholes you come across. I don't even have conversations with people like that if I meet them in person. But as soon as I heard this idiot carry on like that, I just turned off the podcast, and I don't even give people like that the time of day, but because they're just morons, they're just very stupid. If they say they don't want to use charts, that's different, but don't go telling other people that charts are dumb and stupid, because you're just an asshole if you say that, and I won't put up with it, because it's just moronic to say that charts are no good. Euro CAD has been a good one. Just go through these real quick. Euro US has been ripping. Oh, this is just awesome. Trading like this, getting these big rips like this. NZ CAD's been another good one. NZ US, that's been just awesome. NZ US has been one of the best ones. Pound CAD, that's been a good one. It's a little distribution here on the daily, so we've got this breakdown on the 4 hour, this reversal here, so it's been a good one. Oz dollar NZ, this is one of my favourites. This Oz dollar NZ, there's always, you quite often get a lot of good pairs. I quite often get a lot of good trades on this pair, but this has been particularly good this recently. Pound NZ's been a nice reversal here back towards the flat Keynesian here, so that's been a very nice reversal on the daily 4 hour. US dollar Swissy, this has been in that distribution that I was talking about, so that's interesting to see what it does here at this with the flat Keynesian, and you can only trade this on the intraday template, of course. That's just a no-brainer. If I could get people to understand what I was saying, they would do so well with this, but it's very hard to get the point across that I'm trying to make for some reason. CAD Swiss, very good one. US dollar Jappy stuck in this consolidation here. That was that's been a bit of a tricky one. US dollar Jappy. I don't know why I put that in there actually. That shouldn't have been one that I was going to look at. I don't know. That was just might have been left over from last time and I missed it. I didn't really want to. Swiss Jappy. This has been a good one. Swiss Jappy. Euro Jappy. That's been a great one. And Pound Jappy. That's been great too. Pound Jappy's been really good. So just a quick one, and about do it for now, I think. Let's just have a quick look at the. No, that'll do for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.